You can.
Alright guys, welcome to Geneva, Switzerland. The weather is not cooperating today. It's been raining since last night, I believe. And today is Sunday. And we didn't know that every shop, stores, I believe some restaurants are open, but majority of the stores and shops are closed. So, lakad-lakad na naman kami guys. But it's so beautiful in here. It's so cold. The weather, yeah, the weather's like in Canada. It's super
it's
chilly.
raining.
Yeah, it's raining. So, imagine that guys. So, this is the old town. As you can see, walang masyadong tao kasi nga, sarado ang lahat. Hindi ko makakain ang famous nilang chocolate.
Fondue.
I think sa cheese fondue may chance kasi nga hindi lahat ng restaurant ay sarado. So yung chocolate na famous dito is La Dirac. I think o La Dirac. Nadaanan namin siya kanina pero talagang sarado. So, ang bagsak namin ay yung isa sa mga favorite ko din na chocolate. The name is Lindt. So, I bought it. And kinakain namin ngayon habang naglalakad kasi nga, gutom na po kami. Ito na yung chocolate ko na. And my husband, he bought ice cream na walang flavor sa US. So, ito yung sinasabi kong chocolate. Ito na lang ang replacement ng aking cravings. Para matikman ko naman ang authentic na Swiss chocolate. So, ito siya.
Very expensive Swiss chocolate.
Ang sobrang mahal po ng mga bilhin dito, guys. Nakakapulubi. As in, pulubi na nga po kami. Pumumulubi pa. Oh, that's my brand!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow! So, my makeup artist from Barcelona introduced me this brand, Kiko Milano. So, yan po siya. I like it so much kasi long-lasting yung makeup. So, sobrang pagod po namin that day sa pictorials. Oh, look at that, baby. It's so beautiful.
Oh, here we go. This is the old city.
Yeah.
Old town.
So, going back, as I mentioned, pagkatapos ng pictorial, sobrang pagod po kami. And then, nag-rest konti and then, nakatulog ako and then the next day may meron pa rin yung makeup ko. So ganun ka long lasting yung Kiko Milano na yan. So I think it's a Italian brand but it's famous in Europe and I'm surprised they have it here also at Switzerland. So yan.